Hi, in this video I will solve daily temperature from Leetcode. Basically, it says given an array of integers temperature, which represents the daily temperature, return an array answer such that the answer is the number of days you have to wait. Okay, return answer. Now we got to figure out what do we have to put in that answer. Well, simply here it says if there is no future day for which it is warmer, just put 0. We can already start with that. We can just say that the answer 0 multiply by the length of temperatures. So from the get-go, we are assuming that, hey, there is no warmer days, and I have to write some logic that proves there is a warmer day coming up. So in order to do that, I can enumerate to the temperatures. So I know that if I enumerate, I get the index. So this index is, let's say it's today's date. I'm just going to call it today's date. And today's date comes with today's temperature in enumerate right here. And when I enumerate through the temperatures, so 73 will be day 0, 74 will be day 1, day 2, day 3, and so on and so forth. And I want to append this today's date. So I want to keep track. How far are we? If I get a warmer temperature, I know. So, hey, if you're used to my videos, I create the variables as I go along so you can see when are they used. So then I need a stack, and that stack will contain today's date. Now, let's think a little bit here. How do I know how far I am from the days if I see a warmer temperature? So here I see that 74 is in the next day and it's warmer than 73. So this gets 1, which means in one day I'm going to get a warmer temperature. So the way I can think about this is I need a way to subtract these two temperatures and then add the distance between them in terms of days into here. So one way I can do this is I can say, you know what? While I have values in the stack, and if you pop them for me, I'm going to get the past date. So if I go through my first iteration, my stack will be empty. So this condition will not be fulfilled. Therefore, it will not be executed. So it's going to append today's date into the stack. Now, in my next iteration, my stack is no longer empty. So it's going to go into here and I'm going to pop it. And now I have my past day. And hold on a second, I also have my today's date. So what I can do is I can subtract my today's day from my past day. And I got my answer right here. And I can update my past day with the difference of days. Okay, so in this case, it will be 1, and at index 0, add this 1. But hold on a second, I don't want you to keep on updating this value whenever you feel like it. So while there is something in the stack and the temperature, so is less than today's temp, right? So if today's temp is higher than temperature, then I want you and go update all the past values because I assumed there is no future warmer values. And which temperature are you referring to? Because the temperature in this case is a list. And the way you can look at it is just look at the last value in the stack, which in our case is -1. Let's run the solution. And there we go. It's finished. So let me quickly run through this again. I've created an empty answer because it said here, return an array answer. So here you go. Here's an return an array answer. I assume there's no warm days coming. So that's why I just multiplied the length of the temperature by 0. I created a stack which stores the today's date. And every time I went to my next iteration, I popped that past day and I subtracted today's day from the past day if the temperature of the past day was less than today's temperature. And I would keep on going in here to update all these values. if you have learned something from the video, please click the like and subscribe button. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.